to the channel, and today we're going to make authentic Sicilian salsiccia, which this recipe comes down from generations and generations. My bisnonno taught my nonno, who taught my father, who taught me. So this recipe is straight out of Sicily. This is the real South African Sicilian sausage. Salsiccia Siciliana con finocchio, which means with fennel. So guys, this is what you're going to be needing today to make the salsiccia. Not much. We start off with a mincer. Remember, in your mincer, use the attachment that makes the most coarse cut, the most coarse mince. You don't want your mince fine, because then it goes white, the meat, and it's sticky and it's not nice. So the bigger the holes, the better. Okay, then obviously you're going to need a nice piece of pork belly. This is the same meat that they make the pancetta out of. I just got this from my local supermarket. The reason you use pork belly is because you'll see there's a lot of fat. Fennel seeds, called finocchio. You're going to need salt. You're going to need pepper. And if you want, you can put some chili also. Then you're going to be needing your casings. These are hog pork casings. There's a reel. Just a bowl to put your meat in when you mix, and a good sharp knife, because to take the skin off, you need a good sharp knife. Okay guys, so I have my meat now. What I'm going to do is remove the skin and cut it into cubes, the meat. Let me show you how to do that. So I find the easiest way to do it is start halfway, like that. And then just slide your knife. This is why I said you need a good sharp knife. The reason I start in the middle is because I've got something to grip on then. So that's it. We cut it off the skin as much as you can, as close as you can. Good sharp knife always helps, like that. And then we're going to cut the meat into cubes. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've chopped all the meat now, and I'm going to spice it, chopped like this before it's minced. So you can see I've chopped it all. So the fennel, you need 1 tablespoon, a heaped tablespoon of fennel per kilo of meat. I'm going to put all the recipe at the end of the video all written down in case you forget. You need 18 grams of salt per kilo, 2.5 to 3 heaped teaspoons of pepper. Chili, I put quite a lot. This is a tablespoon. As I said, that's up to you. You can put as much chili as you like. I like mine spicy. Important trick. Spice your meat before you mince it. So like I've done, you cut it into cubes, you put all your spicing in, and then you go straight into your skins. So you mince and go straight into your skins. The reason for this, and as I said, I can't stress this enough, it's really important. This is one of those tricks that only nonno can tell you. If you spice it after it's minced, you're handling the meat too much, because you have to mix, and that just makes the meat into a sticky goo, which is not nice. The sausage doesn't even look nice. Like this, instead, you're spicing it and it's mincing it straight into the skins. You're not handling that meat at all. So you'll see it comes out beautiful, and it comes out red, and it's not too compact, the meat. So now let's spice it. Let me show you. Okay. So now I'm going to carry on mixing it until I'm sure that everything is mixed properly. And the next step is to put it into the skins, into the casings, and I'll show you how to do that next. I'm just going to carry on mixing it until I'm ready. You're going to lubricate the casing a little bit. So what I'm going to do is just open it up and just pour a little bit of olive oil into the casing. And then just squeeze it through. Make sure it goes all the way through. And that will lubricate the casing, and you'll see why now. Okay, so I'm going to put this cloth underneath here because there's quite a lot of water falls out. Right, so now we've lubricated it, and you put it onto your mincer like this. Okay guys, so you see, beautiful sausage. Look at the color, look how nice and beautiful this is. Nice big pieces of fat, exactly what you want. If you want to make it look more like salsiccia, so when your friends come over it looks more, there's a simple way to do that. Let me show you. So just, choose the size of the pieces that you want. More or less that's the size, and then squeeze it, but squeeze it gently because you don't want to break the skins. So squeeze it and twist. So it's nice and easy. Get your sizes right. Squeeze gently and twist. And you carry on like that until the whole salsiccia is made. And some people put parsley, they put onions, they put red wine, they put all these things. In the north of Italy they do make a sausage where they put red wine, and that's also nice. But if you want to make a salsiccia, Sicilian salsiccia, you don't put wine. Sausage. So here we go. I finished making it. There is your authentic salsiccia siciliana con finocchio. And there we go. What is this? It's delicious. Buon appetito. Ciao ciao guys.